Hi everyone, my name is Rizelle and Galvez. I'm a VA coach, a social media strategist, a Canva certified creative, and graphic designer. So we are here now for another. In this segment, I will be discussing how to use Google Drive. Before I start, I want you to know that Google Drive is like an online USB. It is also like Microsoft Office that has Google Docs, spreadsheets, and presentation. So let's start. First, you need to log in on your Gmail account. Every Gmail account has a own Google Drive. Okay, you just click this button, option button, and click Drive. So the Google Drive page will pop out. You can create your documents here by clicking this new documents. You can also do spreadsheet or Google Sheet and presentation or Google Slides. This is how it looks like. The Google Slide is like this. The Google Spreadsheet is like this. And the Google Doc is like this. Everything you do here is automatically saved, so you don't need to save it. You can add your title here. Try 1. Try 2. And try 3. You can add your documents here. You can do your spreadsheet here. You can add sheet. It's like Microsoft Excel. And also, you can choose what presentation is here that you want to start off. And then edit it. Then once you're done, you can just close it. And then refresh your Google Drive. And it will pop out here. You can add also folder. In this drive, just click folder. You can upload your file too. Just click these things and folder upload too. So let's create folder. You can add the title of your folder. Try 1, 2, 3. Then create it. And then you can group as this, or you can click one by one and drag and drop here. So it will add on your folder. You can also do the right click and move to. Click the move to. Move to try 1, 2, 3 folder and then click move. Okay? But for now, I can just drag and drop. Then you can see it here, your folder here. You just click my drive again if you want to go back in your main drive and then click the folder. You can also share this folder. Just right click and then share, or you can also use shareable link to share it to others. But if you want it to send it in their email, you can just type the email of the one that you are sending off of this file, and then you can choose what she can do about the file. If she can view only or can organize, add, and edit. And then just click done. You can also download it to your computer or desktop. Just click download. You can also rename here. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you learned a lot in these videos. And don't forget to share it also, because sharing is caring. Bye!